Speedway IN news. Now, John speaking. Got us a miscellaneous fireworks show tonight. Not sure why, but I'm not going to complain. Labor Day evening and come out here and have a little fire in the backyard, and then all of a sudden they started doing this right here. We got diverted from the fire pit and started watching the show. They're getting back on board to get the fire pit going. Sit around, tell lies and alibis to each other's and our wives. Ooh, that was a nice little flashy Magoo. Ooh. Ah. Ooh. Ah. Ooh. Ah. Got others in the neighborhood now going, we're gonna light off fireworks too. Ooh. That's a nice boom. Here we go. Grand finale. Glad you guys could join me here in Speedway for a nice little free fireworks show. Ooh. Yeah. America. That was pretty awesome. Well, thank you for joining me. Signing off now. John, Speedway, Indiana News. Now, y'all have a great evening. Bye-bye.